What's up guys, good evening from Singapore. My name is Vinay Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. This is my last night in the Singapore and I want to celebrate this with something special. So I choose to eat ice cream from the vending machine. Let's see. And the price of the ice cream starts from $1.50. Well, there are a lot of ice creams, but I would go with the red bean jelly. And the price is $2 and the number is 13. Here it is, the Singapore currency, $2. Let's insert it. This machine is too fast. My money is added, now I need to select the ice cream. My ice cream number is 13, 1313. And you can see on the screen the 13 number is added. Lift up and push in. Let's see, oh, it's very heavy. And here it is, my ice cream. And look at the color of the packet. It's blood red color like beans. It's great. Even we Indian cannot even imagine beans in ice cream, but Singapore did this. Let's go back to the hostel and eat the ice cream. And look at this, it's fully decorated with the beans and the jelly. And the color of the ice cream is also in a bit red color. Let's taste it. This is something I have never ever thought of. Even beans are incredibly fresh. Singapore is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can see on the road there is always been activity on the road. Even it's 4 AM in the morning, but still there is a traffic. I think this ice cream company is also using the Hokkaido milk ice cream, because few days ago I uploaded the video of Japanese ice cream and the taste is little bit similar because of the same milk maybe. And look at the size of the beans, these are of full size and the jelly is perfect combination with the beans. I am really enjoying my last night in the Singapore with these beans ice cream. Well, thanks for watching this video, and my next video will be of Malaysia tour. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. Thank you, God bless you and your family.